What should I do if my skin is darkening after using aloe vera?
Welcome to our skincare guide. Today we're diving into an issue that might surprise some of you: skin darkening after using aloe vera. While aloe vera is often touted for its skin-soothing and healing properties, some people may experience unexpected reactions, including skin darkening. Not to worry, though. We're here to help you understand why this happens and what you can do about it.
Why is my skin darkening after using aloe vera?
Aloe vera has many beneficial properties, but like any product, it's not suitable for everyone. Some individuals may have an allergic reaction to aloe vera, which could potentially lead to skin darkening. Other times, this could be due to sun exposure, as aloe vera can make some people's skin more sensitive to sunlight.
What should I do if my skin darkens?
First, stop using the aloe vera product immediately. This is crucial because continuous use could possibly aggravate the skin darkening. Next, wash your skin gently with a mild, non-irritating cleanser to remove any remaining aloe vera. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel, no rubbing. Then, observe your skin for a few days. If the darkening starts to fade, it may have been a temporary reaction. If it persists, consider consulting a dermatologist.
How can I prevent this from happening again?
Prevention is always better than cure. Before using any new skincare product, it's crucial to perform a patch test. Apply a small amount on your wrist or behind your ear, then wait for 24 hours to see if any reaction occurs. It's also important to use sunscreen regularly, especially if you're using a product that could make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Lastly, consider consulting a dermatologist or a skincare expert before incorporating new products into your routine. They can provide advice based on your specific skin type and condition. Remember, everyone's skin is different, and reactions can vary. Don't panic if your skin has darkened after using aloe vera. Take the steps we've discussed, and always reach out to a professional if you're unsure or worried about any skin changes. We hope this guide has been helpful in managing and preventing skin darkening. Keep glowing, and we'll see you in our next video.